watching Seven Baskets Gift Arts and Craft Show. We're here live at the Microsoft office to support Desiree Lee with her second book, Past Mustard Seeds. Stay tuned and see what's all in Meda. Watching the Seven Baskets Gift Arts and Craft Show. I'm your host, Desiree, and I am here with the beautiful Desiree Lee. How are you today?
I'm wonderful, phenomenal.
You look beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
And I just don't mean just your outside, but your inside. And I just feel like I'm following Jesus. I mean, I'm not Mr. Jesus inside.
Yes.
It's not misinterpreted.
Yes.
What I'm saying. It's because we have this movement that you move amongst the people. And I want to tell my audience a little story. We met in person, and I just have to tell you how phenomenal this woman is. It was a day that I lost my job, and for some reason I felt led to just tell you, the first person I told that day, and I will never forget how you put those mustard seeds into my hand.
I just personally want to say thank you. I know I said thank you so many times, but I want to say it right here, one-on-one with each and every one of you. Because as I read your stories, I've been truly blessed. And I'm so grateful of your tenacity. I see where you guys are today. And you guys let me know that I could too, make it there. But through all what you went through, your stories, your family, your journey, none of you guys gave up. At the end of all those stories, now one of you guys said, I gave up, I quit. And I want to let you guys know that I'm so proud of all of you guys. So I took it upon myself to give you guys a little something as a token of my appreciation. And everybody knows I cry a lot. I'm trying to hold it in, lean to the side. But seriously, I'm very proud of each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys coming out and celebrating this as a union, as we all pass the mustard seed and continue our journey.
I am here with the Marlo West. Okay, that's what I want right there. Now, I hear you wanted to be sure the Arthur and pass the mustard. The pearly white you take care of. That feels to be a part of this great project.
It's amazing. It's a wonderful experience. It's always great to be a part of a movement, a monumental moment, if you will. To always be able to share with somebody your story, to let them know that you too can make it. You can push through whatever it is that you want to do, as long as you acknowledge who your source is. If you acknowledge who your source is, everything is attainable for you. You just have to step into your belief season and walk in it. Absolutely.
It's easier said than done. So what is the difference between just stepping out on faith and just really grabbing hold of it? What is the all about?
For me, what it is my belief system in God is so strong to where I cannot allow fear to hold me back from stepping out. Because I understand that everything is in that moment. And if I don't exercise my faith in that moment, I'll miss it or whatever it is. You know what I mean? So I always have to rely on that faith system and that faith foundation for me to not only operate in that, but at the same time allow me to be a testimony to somebody else.
Definitely looking out for you, Marlo West, and that's my song.
Absolutely.
Hello, I am here with Dan Moore, who is a contributing author to Past the Mustard. How are you, Dan?
I'm doing fantastic.
Great.
Good to be here.
Yes, I know you are excited to be a part of this book.
This is very
Because
cool.
we know the scripture about the mustard seed, that you can move the mountains. What do you feel about it?
It's an awesome job. It's a tremendous job. Put everything together. And I accomplishment. I met her about a year ago, and I've seen her grow it. And see her put office together and make it happen.
Have there ever been a time when you've had to actually just really push through yourself and use that mustard seed of faith every day?
You never know how we're going to impact somebody else. Just telling our story sometimes will help someone else go through their problems. So I think we have a lot of wisdom in this forward.
Yes. Thank you so much, Dan Moore. We look forward to reading what you wrote and Pass the Mustard Seed.
My pleasure.
Wow, that is going to be so exciting. Tell us, what makes you just step out on faith? What gives you that, you know, when we talk about Pass the Mustard Seed, what does that mean?
Just understanding that it's not about me and that it's about who I'm called to. And there's so many young girls watching me who need the motivation, who need to see someone acting this thing out, playing the role, going for it, stepping out on faith. And not just talking about it. Lip service is so overrated, and they get enough of that.
Wow, that's so wonderful. Now I hear you do a lot of things for your community. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, I run an organization called Tween Style Power, and we mentor girls on a monthly basis in the areas of self-esteem, body image, and leadership. And so it's all about making sure that our girls are equipped to lead.
Okay, what age group is that?
Ages 10 to 17.
Wow. Okay, I know a few girls who can benefit from that.
Please.
What's your website, or how do we get in contact?
You can reach us at www.tweenstylepower.com.
Wow, thank you so much. And
Thank you.
I love you on this cover. It's just beautiful.
I appreciate it.
It is always amazing to come out to these type of events, such as Passing the Mustard Seed. It always brings out other authors. And today I had the opportunity to meet Wesley Robinson, who has also written a book called Tough Love. It's also good to see men when they write books. And you want to tell us a little bit about this book?
Tough Love is really poems and short stories about the triumphs and tragedies of love, as well as inspiring our youth to be positive and be the best version of themselves. Sometimes they like to think that we're alone in this battle, but we're not. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. I feel it would be a disservice if I didn't let you know my downfalls to help you better yourself. And that's really what Tough Love is about, to help inspire us all and unite us.
So you're here also passing the mustard seed to the youth. And is it in particular the men or the girls too, the little young guys?
Anyone, all of our youth, anyone that feels that they're alone, that they can't do it by themselves, or that they have to do it by themselves. I'm here to let them know that you don't. We're here for each other. And in any way that I can, I will be of service to you all.
Do you think that giving tough love is a benefit?
Sometimes it is necessary, because we need to build up ourselves and know who we are as ourselves before we get out into the world. And sometimes, you know, that strong, sturdy hand or a firm hand may encourage them to know that they have it within themselves to do whatever it is that you can set your mind to. You can reach and attain your goals and your dreams. You just have to press forward.
Now, how can one find your book?
It's an easy find on Amazon. Tough Love is found on Amazon. Tough Love Poetry Book. I have my own link to Create Space, as well as my Facebook page, Wes Robinson, and that was how you would be able to contact me and get in touch with the book.
Well, thank you so much, and I'm so happy to see that you have actually stepped out on faith and put your book together for all the world to glean from. Thank you.
I appreciate your time.
I am here with Ajay and Sam, and they're with
Spot
Atlanta. And I'm so excited because I heard what you said about supporting women and just coming together, and just really having a atmosphere where we all can just come together and heal. And I just wanted to have the opportunity for you to tell the audience where you are, who you are, and what you're doing in our community.
So, and of course, it's Sweet Spot. And our passion is women coming together and healing and releasing. So when you come to the Sweet Spot, it's a pamper day for you to release, to detox. We suggest you bring your journals and just come for a day to have a phenomenal experience. It's not a nail salon and a quick fly-by-night service. It's a phenomenal experience that you don't want to miss. It's all about women coming together. Strangers leave as friends. We just really have built a platform where we want women to hear from their past, reconnect and know that we are queens, we are powerful, we are amazing, and we have to start with taking care of ourselves and loving ourselves first. So that's what Sweet Spot Detox Boutique in Atlanta is about. We're located 6018 Atlanta. And check us out on Facebook, Sweet Spot Detox Boutique, and Instagram, Sweet Spot Atlanta on Instagram. We're super excited. Thank you.
Now we're here at passing the mustard seed event, and give us a little bit about how you met Desiree and how much she has impacted your life.
Well, actually, Desiree is actually preaching what she's actually doing. She's a person who's walking her talk. And we had mad love for her and respect because when we met her, we didn't know this connection was going to be made. But we was at a phenomenal networking event and she told her powerful story and it just sat in me and Sam's heart like, this is what we created, what God has given us the vision to create a Sweet Spot. Her story definitely connects with our purpose and our passion of bringing healing and being able to pass on the mustard seed to everyone. God has given us a vision, but God has given every one of us a vision. So we have created a platform for those visions to be manifested. And for her to have the story that she had and impact our lives the way she did, we just wanted to connect with her. And once she came to the Sweet Spot, it was over. Because you can talk your passion, but if you're walking it, it's a whole nother story. Your spirits will be able to talk to other people's spirits that is walking in their passion and their destiny. So,
well, I have to attest to, I know my audience, they can't feel what I feel. I feel so much power standing right here next to you. I feel the energy, I feel the passion about what you're doing.
Absolutely.
And I just see, the elevation is going to take place, and I'm definitely going to come and see what it's all about.
We welcome the community to come out and get healed, mind, body, and soul, and the Sweet Spot. It's a total package.
All right.
Thank you. Yes.
Stay tuned. We have more for you when we come back. I am here with Edra. I'm a little brownie. And you are a contributing author on Past the Mustard Seed. Wow, what does that feel like?
It's very exciting, and I didn't even think of it as something that really rare. Because I was just sharing what helped me move forward in life. So I'm very humbled by the experience and so glad to be able to just share Desiree. This is something for her. I've known her for a long time, and I am so proud for her. I'm so proud of what God has done in her life. So this is a small part.
Now, for those who don't know what the mustard seed is on faith and how to just step out, just let our audience know. Just reach out to somebody to our camera and just let them know.
If you right now are facing something that may be difficult, that seems bigger than you, I understand it because I've been there. And one thing that you have to do, the first step is own where you are. Recognize where you are. Don't try to push it under. Don't try to push it to the side. Because if you do that, then you will be dealing with, deception. So you want to be able to just face where you are. And then secondly, recognize that you're going to go on a journey that's you're going to discover some things about yourself, some things that you don't like, some things that you like. But what you want to always be is honest with where you are. And so when you discover on the journey, embrace it. It's going to be tough. There's some things that you may not want to deal with, but you're going to have to be a whole person. And so once you walk through the journey and you come out on the other side, you'll be able to take that mustard seed of faith and pass it on to someone else and share your story.
Thank you for watching 7 Baskets Gifts Arts and Crafts Show. If you would like more information about today's guest, visit us on Facebook at 7 Baskets Gifts Arts and Crafts Show. Find out how you can be a guest on our show. If you would like to become a sponsor, we would like to hear from you at lovemaraynugo@yahoo.com. That's LOVEMIRAYNEWGO@yahoo.com.